Okay, Casey is working on getting our Christmas lights set up outside. Let me show you guys what he's doing. Please hold. Okay, so this is J channel. This goes on the exterior of your house, and Casey is just drilling little holes all throughout the J channel. And look at how smart. He has a 3D printer, and he 3D printed this cool jig. So he puts this little plug in the one hole. Oh, and then he knows right how far to drill the next hole. This is making a mess on the carpet though, but I think it's okay. But look how smart. And I'm going to show you guys because he already has half the, okay. Show us what the lights go in. Show us how the lights go in the J channel. So then once this J channel is up on our house, these LED lights just pop in those holes. And then that is their permanent Christmas lights. So they stay up all year long. You can't really tell that they're there. And sometimes we turn them on like birthdays and stuff. So smart, Case. Okay, here are the lights on our house. See the J channel like right there. See the little dots of the lights. You honestly cannot tell in the daytime that they're there. I see a lot of these that are done that they put on like a couple years ago. And now he's working on getting, he just got this done yesterday, and now he's going to do across those peaks today. So cool, huh? Those lights downward instead of outward, and you really can't tell, but I like the look of the lights pointing outward instead of like down my house. I like them pointed out. I think they look more like a Christmas light. But anyway, he got this all done. All right, we've got a little elf working on Christmas lights there. I'm on the ladder in my slippers to sacrifice my life to show you guys how Casey hooks this. I've had a lot of questions how he hooks the J channel to the house. So this is just drilled right into the soffit with a sheet metal screw. And he just screws it like every, I don't know, probably like about every foot or so. There's another screw there. This is what I was talking about too. We drilled our holes on the face of the J channel, but you could also drill your holes under here if you didn't like these showing out the front. You could have them drilled down here and they would be pointing downward. So anyway, that's how he did it. He has all these wires. Once he's done with this, they will all shove in behind here and be hidden, and it will look nice. So that's kind of how it does it. And there you go. Any more questions? It is so cold out here. Casey is up on the ladder and he's just attaching that J channel. So you just make sure that it's flush with the front of the house. My goodness, it needs to be clean. Anyway, that's it. And then he starts threading the wires through. So Benson is over here. He's climbing up that ladder. What are you doing? You're flishing the wire through? Good job, bud. And then Jack's right here. He's wearing Molly's coat because he forgot his at school. Are you happy or are you mad? Mad. He accidentally started.
That's actually really cool.
Okay, we're out here looking at the Christmas lights, and Casey likes to play around with different like colors and things. So right now we have it spaced out like every third bulb. Okay, but you can also do the rainbow one where it's solid, but you can also do them solid like every bulb. I like this look, the bulb. I like the spaced out look, but Casey likes this because it's really solid, but he just needs to know. But anyway, there you go. Super proud of you, Casey. I know a lot of you guys had questions about this, and I will be answering them, and we're also going to write a blog post about it, so we'll get those up soon. Ooh, lightning. A few more lights over there, and then we're done. But I think it looks cool. I love it. I love it. Can you do like a red and a green every other? Oh, look at you. See, this just looks like regular Christmas lights. You would not probably even... See, look how cute this one is. The red and the green and white. Anyway, Casey said he's going to help me write a blog post about this. If you wanted to do these DIY permanent Christmas lights, you could do it too. It is a little bit technical, wouldn't you say? Yeah. But anyway, we'll give you all the info. That looks cool. See, you guys? I could do this all night, except for it's so cold.
Ready?
Okay. Last one.
Mega
Megastrobe. Good job. Good job, Casey. Well done.
Thank you.